Hi, Adelaide here with a very short description of what my video that is silenced was trying to clarify. The next healing session is about the endocrine system. I will be using my fork tuners, which is specifically for the endocrine system. Everything comes from the brain most of the time, so I have a brain tuning fork. And because it affects the nervous system, I have a nerve tuning fork. What will I be doing? I will be balancing the frequencies of each hormone, of each organ, to restore balance so that the healing can begin. None of this is possible without you and your mind creating. If you have any questions, comment below. If you would like a private session, please book with me below. Oh, and this book.